friends, welcome to my channel Tanish Smart Maker. Today I am going to show you how to make this hologram projector that projects 3D objects in free space. These are the materials required for making the hologram. First, take the thin OHP or transparent sheet. Now make 4 triangles and cut out the top edge of the triangles. These triangles look like this. Once the cutouts are ready, stick the edges with cellophane or masking tape. Now your hologram is ready to use on any of the Android devices. Now let's see how it works. Now place your hologram on any of your Android device and start playing any of the hologram videos. You can refer the description box below. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and click the bell icon.